Okay, so here we have Jolie's puppies, and they are now 3 weeks old and wanting to start moving around, traveling a little bit across this table as we were taking pictures, especially Lux. So you've got the little girl Lara on the left, the one with all the color, and then our little all-white boy Lux, who is a bruiser. Look at him. He takes double the milk. Yeah, look at those cute markings. You can see Lux has developed some nice champagne markings on his face.
And one.
And on the top of his head. You can't really see that in the video though. Yeah, there you go. That worked.
Sophie, please.
So cute.
Sophie.
Goodness, Sophie. Oh, Lex says, here we go. We're gonna skydive.
No, don't.
No, don't. All right, so there you have Jolie's beautiful babies, 3 weeks old.